So here is the part 3 of the Jrod graphic series, and this was the one that I was really wanting to get because, as you all know, Mattel really fucked up big time on the Dennis Nedry Getaway set. They not including the red stripe, so Jrod Graphics made the red stripes and other decals for the Jeep to make it more screen accurate. And so I'll just go over that real quick. But as here's like the stripe, and as you can tell, I did a terrible job putting the stripe on, and there wasn't really any directions on how to apply it. It was just like a regular stripe, and you had to like cut it and stuff. But I reached out to Jrod Graphics, and he emailed promptly, so it's not his fault or anything. It's just mine why it looks like this, because apparently you're just supposed to put heat on the sticker and just apply, and the heat's supposed to make the creases go away and make it look great. But obviously I'm an idiot, and you can see creases on mine. I don't know if just by adding heat it would fix that problem, or I mean, I added heat when with a hairdryer when I was applying it, and I was able to do this side pretty well. It's just the crease right in here I've had problems with, and then cutting the top there and stuff. So I don't know. It's not his fault. It's my fault kind of thing, because I obviously don't know, and I really fucked up here because I kind of like cut it, and this is like 3 pieces of stripe things. This sticker is vinyl, so it goes on like car vinyl or whatnot. So I really didn't know what I was doing, as you can tell. So I'm probably just going to rip it all off and then just paint the stripes on myself. But like I said, that's not his fault, it's mine. So if you know how to do vinyl decals on things with adding heat and stuff, then I recommend doing it, because that was very difficult and it turned out bad, and I'm probably just gonna paint it. Besides the stripe, you also got like the decals for the wheels, BF Goodrich and All Terrain. You get 5 so you can have them on the wheels, and add them as well on the spare tire. So as you can see, they're kind of aligned, not aligned. And what I actually did, I kind of cheated. I had the net launching Jeep Wrangler from that Mattel did, and I just took the chassis off of that and put it on the bottom of this one while I was waiting for the graphics to come in that order, because like these were done correctly. And these are just like the sheets that it comes on. You get like 5 of them. I already took one off of them because with the spare tire. But they come in like a sheet like that, and they look pretty good. All Terrain, BF Goodrich, and these are the same ones that go on the 4 Explorers. So you could mix and match if you wanted to, or if you fucked up one, you could take one if you have both of these decal sets. But and another thing that it comes with, you can do as an option, since the Dennis Nedry figure, where is he? Since the Dennis Nedry figure doesn't have the logo on the back or the front kind of thing, nor does the 6.5-inch figure that they did, which I don't have to show, but Jrod kind of came through and made the decals for the 6-inch in the figure and the 3.5 quarter figure to put on beneath the rain jacket, to have it like it's like cut up for the hood. That's why it's like that. But I didn't put it on because in the movie, if you looked, like the hood covers the logo of his rain jacket, so therefore there is no point into having these stickers. because they were covered. And plus, for my yellow rain jackets that I have, whenever you wear them, the back of the hood covers the logo as well. So, in a sense, this figure doesn't need those. But if your heart desires to have those logos, that's an option as well. You can have with the Jeep. But overall, it does the job for the most part. I would recommend painting the stripes on by hand for at least the Jeep wheel decals and the hood rain jacket decals if you want, or if you're advanced enough or skilled enough to put the decals or have experience putting the stripe decals. They work. I mean, the stripes work, don't get me wrong, the stripes are good. It's just I fucked it up, so I'm going to have to paint them now because I don't like the creases and tore up sides. But yeah, again, thanks for Jrod Graphics for making these decals. He worked hard on them, I can tell, and I'm sure the process of making them is hard as is. So I really appreciate the time and the create these things for us to correct Mattel's mistakes. But yeah, so thanks for watching.